Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived a kind elephant and a clever fox. The elephant was very strong, but he was gentle and friendly. The fox was very smart, but sometimes he was a little proud of his cleverness. One day, the fox saw the elephant carrying heavy logs easily. The fox laughed and said, "Ha! You are strong, elephant, but you are not smart like me." The elephant smiled and said nothing. A few days later, the fox fell into a deep pit while running fast.